Batipuah, where the morning shines, green hills resting under golden skies. A quiet Sarong Nagari stands with humble grace, calling hearts to peace in this sacred place. Batugan Chiang tells stories of old, whispers of nature, brave and bold. A rice field spread like a painted sea, waving softly, wild and free. Oh, Batipuah, land of light, so calm, so warm, so pure, so bright. Batan Sabu flows gentle and true. Lupuak, Pauak, clear water and blue. Oh, Batipuah, land of light, so calm, so warm, so pure, so bright. Nature's love in every view. Batipuah, forever true. The river sings a timeless song, guiding the dreams where souls belong. In the Luruga walk the water sighs, holding the earth, the land, the sky. Oh, Batipuah, land of light, so calm, so warm, so pure, so bright. Nature's love in every view. Batipuah, forever true. Oh, Batipuah, land of light, so calm, so warm, so pure, so bright. Nature's love in every view. Batipuah, forever true. Where my heart feels close to home, in Batipuah.